Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download the Wish app on your phone. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and open up the Play Store app. After the home page of the Play Store app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, type in WISH and hit the search button. After you hit the search button, the Wish app Shopping Made Fun will appear on your screen. Once the Wish app appears on your screen, on the right hand side you'll see the install option. Go ahead and click on it. As you can see on my screen, once the Wish app is completely downloaded and installed on my device, an open option will appear. And there you have it. The Wish app is completely downloaded, installed and ready to use on your device. I hope this video helped you to download the Wish app on your Android device. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.